So I have just realized the importance of nature walks, and that's because I had dislocated my knee, and so I can't walk properly. I use the walking sticks to move around, and so with that I can't really go into the nature at all, because there are hills around my house, and so it's not really possible. And I knew the importance of nature walks before, but right now I see the other aspect of it as well, when I can't really go outside anymore, or at least for this moment. And that is, it was also very important in terms of my work. And I can say with this channel, like, the ideas which I used to get when I would go outside were enormous, were amazing in general, whereas when I get these ideas at home, they aren't so good, they aren't so insightful, they aren't so useful for my audience. And so when I would go outside, what I would do in terms of brainstorming ideas, I'm talking about a specific example right now, but I think it will explain a lot. I would go outside basically with my phone, maybe pick up like a chair which you can pack and then unpack it when you are outside, so it's kind of compact. And I would sit there with a nice view in front of me, and I would open notes app on my phone and just sit there, ask myself certain questions, and just go through the process of brainstorming whilst just enjoying the view and sitting there in the quietness of the nature and the peacefulness of it. And eventually I would get certain ideas. Some of them weren't so good, but others were amazing. And compared to the ideas which I get at home, it's just uncomparable. The process how I would brainstorm was or is the same right now when I brainstorm at home and when I used to brainstorm outside. But the biggest difference is that at home I have many distractions, I can't focus properly, whereas outside I had nothing, just my phone and the note app which I opened, and so I could solely focus on that one thing without getting distracted. And so it was much better for me to brainstorm outside, and this is what I wanted to mention. But this is one aspect of all the things which I wanted to talk about in this video, or maybe two things. The second thing is that I am making this video just for you, so that you can comment your own ideas or something you would want me to cover in future video or in future videos, because I lack ideas and insights, so I don't really know what to make videos about. And so if you have something you would want me to cover, you can comment it down below. And just to summarize everything I was talking about, or make it a bit more clear, is that if you have something you used to do or you do right now, just be grateful that you can do it, because there might be a time in the future when you won't be able to do it anymore. And I'm going through a short period of time when I can't do certain things because I had dislocated my knee. And so be grateful for the things you have, whilst you strive for the things which you don't have or you want. I mean, it's kind of weird, you can take it in a weird way, but as a quote, I don't know who said it, I kind of like it because it reminds you of the gratefulness which you have to show for what you have right now. And if you want something in the future, you want to strive to be better, you want to achieve certain goals, then strive for them. It's not like you have to be grateful for what you have right now and not strive for anything else because you are grateful for what you already have. That's not true. You should show gratefulness for everything you have right now, for your healthy body, if you are healthy, for the things you have, for the environment you are in. Just be grateful for most of the things, because some people don't have what you have. And whilst you are grateful for that, it doesn't mean you can't strive for getting anything better. And so that's somewhat what I wanted to mention in this video. And as I mentioned as well, comment ideas down below what you would want me to cover in the future videos. And if you are interested in learning something else, then you can watch this video next.